So you're probably having a hard time trying to figure out how you can cancel your Shopify subscription. Maybe you signed up for the platform because you just want to test it out, and now you're in a panic mode because the 3-day free trial is almost over and you still cannot find the cancel button. Hey there everyone, welcome back here in my channel. I am Teacher Marie, and in today's video, I am going to walk you through the process of how you're going to be able to cancel your Shopify subscription easily. So Shopify basically gives us 3 days to access the platform completely for free. So within those 3 days, we are going to pay $0. Now, after these 3 days, if you're not able to cancel your plan, you're automatically upgraded to the basic plan. So for a monthly plan, that would be around $39 US. However, if you're subscribed to an annual plan, that would be around $29 US monthly. But this amount, guys, remember, will only take effect after 3 months, because within the first 3 months, after the 3-day free trial, they have a promo where you only pay $1 US per month for the next 3 months. So after this 3-day free trial, if you're not able to cancel it, you will be charged $1 US. So we are inside now my Shopify account. In the upper right corner of your screen, and you'll be able to see the store that you're going to close. So you cancel the plan only intended for that store. You're going to click here, settings, and you will see here, plan. Before you go there, make sure that you go to the apps first and check if you have any plans installed. First, uninstall these before you cancel your plan, and then later deactivate your store. So right after that, we go back here, click plan, and here you will see what plan is currently active. So after that, you just have to click here, cancel plan or deactivate trial. Now, just remember that the moment that you click this one and you proceed with it, that you're going to also deactivate your store. And then once you have already reviewed all the steps that you need to do, then you have to click here, continue. And after that, you should be able to see something like this on your screen that says your plan was canceled. And remember that they're going to save your data for 2 years, so that when you decide to reactivate, that it is easier for you to go back in. So remember, guys, that here on Shopify, that you are not going to be able to close your account just by deactivating a store. Now, let's say that you want to really close your account. Unfortunately, there is no button that you can find here inside your Shopify account to close your account. However, what you can do is ask them to erase all personal information that they have of you. And for you to do that, this is what you're going to do. You're going to request a permanent erasure, which means that you are to submit a separate request at privacy.shopify.com and then choose erase my data. So remember that you can only do this if all of your stores are closed and you have settled all of your balances or outstanding balances here on Shopify. So that's exactly the process on how you're going to cancel your Shopify subscription or your free trial here in Shopify. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. That's it for now, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!